Okay, so this time let's create a mouse bracelet using this small inflated balloon. So just inflate a balloon, leaving with this kind of allowance. Approximate length of this would be 6 or 7 inch. 6 or 7 inches. Now create first the mouth of our mouse. Create 2 1-inch bubbles for the ears like this. Put it together as a loop to make an ear for the mouth. So we have ears, the mouth. Now create 3 bubbles here, just like that. Okay, so now twist it more and twist it here, also here, and put this long 3-inch bubble here around and put it around the neck of our mouse. So that's it. And we have a small end here. All you need to do is put this end on the other side of your mouse, the body of your mouse, and tie it up, just like that. And that's it. Now just wear it to your kids during parties. Okay, it is simply like this. A mouse. This is the head, the body. Mouse bracelet.